So here is the best way on how you can use ChatGPT to explode your Instagram in 5 minutes. So make sure you stay tuned till the end to exactly know what to do. First up, just simply use a web browser. So I'm just using Google Chrome. Just go ahead and open it up. And here, as you can see, once you're in ChatGPT, you have to follow these steps to basically do that. So first one is going to be instant idea generation. So ChatGPT shines at brainstorming. Ask it for quick niche specific content ideas from Instagram like posts to reels to inspire your content strategy. So let's say I'll ask ChatGPT for give me niche specific ideas, okay? Let's write it. Niche specific content ideas for Instagram reels. And once you do this, here as you can see, this is going to give you those niche ideas here, and here come health and wellness, fitness, food and cooking, and beauty and skincare, and many more. So it will give you all these ideas. Just choose one of them, okay? And you have to do the content structuring and scripting, or you can even ask ChatGPT for it. So let's say I'll choose beauty and skincare. So I choose beauty and skincare. So just ask it for, give me a content structure and script for it. And once you do this, it's just going to give you all the content structure and script. Here, as you can see, it's going to give you all the scripts and everything. And once this is done, you have to look for editing software. So you could just ask ChatGPT to give you the best and free editing software if you are on a low budget. Let's say, give me the best tools for editing all this. And it'll just show you all the tools that you need for this video. And here, as you can see, CapCut, InShot, and many more. So once this is all done, you just on the last step, you have to ask for a creative spark. So just ask ChatGPT to give me more, and just like that, it'll give you more spark ideas. Now you're good to go. And once you follow all these steps, I'm pretty sure your Instagram will explode under 5 minutes if you do all this correctly and choose to do it nicely. So yeah, this is it. I hope this video helped you out. I'll see you soon.